Alright everybody, I'm back. This is Life with Laura Michaels again. This is the Nxstage dialysis machine. You can see it's right there, Nxstage. This is a warmer that warms bags in the event that I lose power. I can't make a batch of dialysate. Dialysate is made in this machine down here at the bottom. It is 2 feet across and 31 inches in diameter. It had to have a special electrical line, which they installed for me at no cost to me. And then these 2 white lines here are for the water that goes into here, and so one line fills the tub, the other line drains the tub into the well or septic area. So that's that. This we will get into probably, let's see, probably in the next 1 or 2 videos from today. And today's Friday. So, well, actually, let's see. How many hours do we have left on here? We have 64 hours. So, see, this is what this says. It's a 50-liter bag that's in here. The batch is in use. It's on paused. And the treatment is 64 hours and 46 minutes from now. So when I push this little green button, it'll say, it'll be on pause, and it'll just make a lot of noise. So I don't want to do that right now. But like I said, we will get into this machine in the next video or 2. So let's go back to the Nxstage. So the Nxstage, this is a warmer. And this warmer comes right off. See? And then you just have this machine. So this doesn't have to be on your machine. It just keeps it from getting lost or messed up. So that's why it's sitting there. This is my little hanger. And this will hold 4 5-liter bags. And then another, the 5th one sets in here and stays warm. This right here will hang a few items. One is a saline bag, and the other is my spike that goes into the saline bag, which we're going to show you how I do that here momentarily. So, to start this off, you lift the handle and let it click, and then you slide it out. And so this is the inside of my machine. Nothing fabulous or anything like that. And then here in the very back is a switch that you turn on and watch. See, you had the blinking lights. Some more blinking lights, which is all normal. Alright, so it says 411, which is what it's supposed to say. So now we're going to come over here. Hi, Erica.
Hi, guys.
This is my tech for the day. She will help make sure that I got the holes lined up with my needles. So you'll probably see her in and out of the video. But now what I want to show you is some of my supplies, or the majority of my supplies. First and foremost, you have, oh, you want to go get my other binder books they're sitting on the kitchen table. So here we have books that will walk you through the entire process. From turning your machine on, which is this book, okay, so that's this book. And what I try to do is I try to go step by step of what tells me in the book so that I don't mess it up. Because then once you mess it up, you have to restart over, and sometimes that's a little aggravating. The Pure Flow SL is this machine down here. So it has its own book. It teaches you, it shows you how to take out a pack, start a pack, prime it, drain a sack, put a new sack in, and start all over. Your dialysate is only good for 74 hours. And if you try and start your dialysis and there's not enough time, or your sack will run expire, then the machine will not, and I repeat, will not allow you to start your dialysis. So that's when you would use a bag, the 5-liter bags. But so here's the main book you get, and this is what it is, and it has little tabs. It will tell you what you need, and each the cycler and the Pure Flow come with their own books. So the warmer has its own book, and it will tell you when things go wrong and what you have to do to fix it. This also is, let's see. This is the Pure Flow, and it will tell you when the bottom of your machine throws out a warning like A51 or A54. We've had to do that, or it has done that to us, and we've had to call the tech support. They are wonderful people. So now I want to just show you a few things that you have to. Oh yeah, okay. So this is the Pure Flow, or the Nxstage System 1 Cycler book, and that tells you the warnings, what you have to do to clear up the warnings, and it's step by step. They're awesome books. So next we have a stethoscope, which is for listening to your fistula, which is right here. I had to have a fistulogram yesterday, so that's why the stitches are there. But right there's my buttonhole, my arterial buttonhole, and this spot right here is my vascular buttonhole. So you have two. One pulls the blood out, the other pulls the clean blood in. And what you want to do is you want to hear a, you don't want to hear a or whistle or anything like that. So that's why you have to check your excesses every time, every day. So the next thing are blunt needles. These are what I put in my arm. After using, let's see, oh, here we go. These are sharps. That needle right in there is as sharp can be. And this is what you start out to make a buttonhole. This is what you use to start out. There's 3 gauges, 15, 16, and 17. Alright, but once your buttonholes get established, you go to a blunt needle. This is a saline bag. You have betadine, alcohol pads that you use. So here's the saline bag. This is going to get hung up, and it will run through my machine, my cycler. This, and I'm going to have Erica open this up. This is what I use. It's my kidney. So I'm going to have Erica open it up real quick, and we'll show you exactly what it is. Alright everybody, we're back. So, this is this entire thing is what keeps me alive. This is a dialyzer. It has fibers. See all those little white things? Well, they're open tubes that go from this end to this end. So one is the dialysate end and the other one is the blood end. And that right there will fit right down in here. The dialyzer will fit in here, the tube thing. Well, that is considered my kidney. And then we have this little thing, and it is a moisture sensor, and you have to check it every time you do your dialysis. And that's what it's supposed to sound like, and as long as it does that, you're good to go. So, that is all I'm going to do for today. I may come back and just show you a few things while I'm dialyzing. If you have any questions, you like what you see, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and as always, leave me a message. I would be gratefully appreciated. Alright everyone, have a great Friday, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye bye for now.